What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
अभी कुछ फ्यू डेज बैक मैंने अपने शो पे जीनियस किड की जो फाउंडर थी रेनू डिलन, उनको इनवाइट किया था और उन्होंने अपनी जो उनकी बुक अक्टूबर में आने लगी है, हाउ टू रेज योर किड्स कॉन्फिडेंटली, उसके बारे में भी बात की। प्लस हमने उनसे पूछा कि उनका जर्नी कैसे रहा, बिकॉज इट्स अ ग्रेट इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन इन द बे एरिया। और हमने बहुत सारी उनकी पर्सनल बातें भी की, बड़ा मजा आया उनके साथ। अच्छा, जब वो प्रोग्राम लेडीज ने देखा इधर, तो उन्होंने मुझे दोबारा से बहुत सारे मुझे मैसेजेस आए कि प्लीज आप उनको दोबारा लाएं, वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस। तो मैंने कहा शी इज एन एक्सपर्ट, बिकॉज उन्होंने लॉट्स ऑफ अवार्ड्स लिए हुए हैं, बहुत जबरदस्त वो रन कर रही हैं अपने जो इंस्टीट्यूशन को, एंड उनसे नॉलेज लें तो दैट्स द बेस्ट कहते हैं सोर्स। तो हमने वंस अगेन रेनू जी को इनवाइट किया। जी हेलो, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
वालेकुम सलाम एंड थैंक यू फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी टू योर शो।
जी वंस अगेन थैंक यू फॉर जॉइनिंग मी।
वेलकम एनी टाइम।
तो आज ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੇ,
ट्राई करांगे पक्का
पक्का। So how was the day? ਤੁਹਾਡਾ दिन कैसा रहा?
दिन has been very hectic। हमारा मंडे हमेशा हेक्टिक होता है। पता नहीं कि कोई आजकल बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना हमारे रेगुलेशंस भी बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट है। कोई टीचर का भी थोड़ा भी बुखार होवे या थोड़ा भी साइंस ऑफ कोल्ड भी बिफोर, तो कभी कभी आपको साइनस होता है या कोल्ड होता है, यू अलाउ देम टू कम इन। पर अभी तो इतना डर हो गया कि बिल्कुल नहीं। सो जब कभी कभी शॉर्ट स्टाफ की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है। सो आई
हैव खुले हुए हैं स्कूल,
सब स्कूल्स खुले हुए हैं, वी हैव नेवर क्लोज्ड। हमारा वी फॉल अंडर कैटेगरी ऑफ एसेंशियल सर्विस, जैसे हॉस्पिटल होते, ग्रोसरी होते, डे केयर इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। बिकॉज इफ वी क्लोज, फिर डॉक्टर्स और नर्सेज हाउ डू दे गो टू वर्क, बिकॉज बच्चे भी होते हैं, राइट?
लेकिन दोनों पता है मामा ते डर गई हैं, ते मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर नॉट सेंडिंग देयर किड्स एंड वर्चुअली वो पढ़ रहे हैं।
मुझे नहीं पता क्यों लोग इतना डरते हैं। हमारे स्कूल खुले हैं, विद गॉड्स ग्रेस सब कुछ ठीक चल रहा है। we take a lot of precautions। in actual fact हमारे पेरेंट्स आके हमको बोलते हैं कि आपका जितना आपका स्कूल साफ है, हमारे घर भी नहीं इतना साफ है।
And you are following all SOPs.
Yeah, because we clean the schools regularly। हम UV light में disinfect करते हैं, hand washing is every 30 minutes। हम temperatures लेते हैं 6-7 times a day। कोई नहीं ऐसे घर में करता है, राइट?
कोई भी नहीं करता।
हमारे स्कूल में हर एक बच्चे का अपना पेंसिल बॉक्स है, अपने there is no sharing of anything। सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग है। हमारे छोटे छोटे भी बच्चे शील्ड्स पहनते हैं, हमने सिखा दिया। सो इट्स वेरी सेफ। या आई थिंक लोग पता क्या सारा मीडिया ने बहुत ऐसे डरा दिया,
हाइप कर दिया
बहुत ज्यादा, फॉर नो रीजन एट ऑल। इतना डरने का कोई लोड नहीं। इट्स look, I'm going to be 60 years old। मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, I go to my school, I go to my office। You just have to be cautious कि पब्लिक इतने बड़े बड़े पब्लिक प्लेसेस मत जाओ, राइट? कि जब मैं ग्रोसरी स्टोर्स भी जाती हूँ, आई लुक एंड सी कि कितनी गाड़ी है बाहर। If there are too many cars, I don't go। I wait until there may be just a few cars। So somebody has to use common sense।
Common sense। Or the thing is that we have to live with this COVID-19। We can't, stop living। So we have to be cautious।
There's going to be others. Now the way we have treated this planet, humans are responsible for this। हमने ऐसे create किया।
You're right।
Yeah। So क्या पता अभी आगे क्या होने, right? We have to learn to live with it। अब अभी जैसे you're going to just sit at home and be scared and live, ये कोई बिल्कुल नहीं। I've not
बच्चों
done
ने
that।
बड़ा होना है, बच्चों को करियर में जाना है। We have to make them strong। और उनको ये सिखाएं कि कैसे करना है।
Right, ये जो I mean, if you another way to look at it, Sarah, is if you sit cooped in the house, आपके immunity नहीं होने। जब आप बाहर जाएंगे तो इम्यूनिटी का प्रॉब्लम भी हो जाएगा,
ਤੁਸੀਂ
राइट?
कैच कर लोगे छेती नाल
Yeah.
वायरस नो.
We have to build up that immunity as well. Yeah.
तो क्वेश्चन मुझसे जो सबसे पहला एक मदर ने पूछा कि जैसे कि डरी हुई मैं तो कहूँगी मदर्स हैं, उन्होंने ये कहा कि जब हम बच्चों को बिठाते हैं तो वो मुझे लग रहा था वैसे नहीं खुले हुए, ये तो आपने मुझे बताया कि जीनियस किड्स खुला हुआ है.
सब डे केयर्स, प्राइवेट स्कूल सब खुले हुए, बिकॉज पब्लिक स्कूल नहीं, but daycares, because if we close, then the doctors, nurses,
Can't
police, and fire, how are they all going to go to work?
Yeah.
They need care for their children. So we are providing care now for a lot of families.
That's
Even
nice.
people who are working from home, they send their children because मुश्किल बहुत है, अभी छोटा
Oh.
baby होगा तो
Yeah.
सारा दिन baby रोता है, you can't do your meetings even.
Yeah.
So they come to school. Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. So, अच्छा, जो घर में बच्चे बैठ के पढ़ रहे हैं वो किस तरह से बच्चों को एंगेज करें कि वो पढ़ लें, बैठ जाएं, जो कि इट्स वेरी हार्ड टू मेक देम सिट.
Absolutely, छोटे बच्चे का बहुत प्रॉब्लम है, बिकॉज छोटे बच्चे को सोशल इंटरेक्शन चाहिए. अभी बड़े बच्चे मिडिल स्कूल, हाई स्कूल, वो तो एडजस्ट करते हैं बिकॉज they are already doing so much research online and they're already doing their reports.
Right.
But definitely preschool, kindergarten, first to third grade struggle karte hain. The problem is that children are not used to this, and also children are only used to iPads. It's our own fault. If you give a child an iPad, they will sit there for hours. But the children have forgotten human interaction, and that is our fault, Sarah. As parents, that is our fault. Because we have given our children iPads. हमने जब बच्चा तंग करता है तो सीधा iPad दे दो, बच्चा रोता है तो सीधा सेल फोन दे दो,
खाना खिलाने लगो तो दे दो उसको.
Exactly. तो हमने ये प्रॉब्लम किया है, क्रिएट किया कि हमारे बच्चे का अटेंशन नहीं है, बिकॉज सारा दिन ऐसे they used to only one way interaction. Abhi now the reason why they're struggling is there's a teacher on the other side and the child just wants to swipe. They don't want to interact.
Right.
So you have to be patient. Number one is you have to be patient.
Okay.
Number two is if you're logging into the school, you have no choice. You have to log into your regular school.
Yeah.
But after that, you do need to spend time with your child. So unfortunately, it is going to require parents sitting with their children. And unfortunately, the public schools, and I'm not very happy with the programs that they're doing. They're not engaging at all. They're both boring.
Yeah.
I mean, teachers are coming on the screen and just playing videos, and that's why the children are losing attention.
Oh, so ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ virtually भी ਤੁਹਾਡਾ program ਹੁੰਦਾ है?
We have a lot of virtual programs, but हम वीडियो नहीं प्ले करते, हम
अच्छा.
बातें करते हैं बच्चे लोग के साथ.
Oh.
यही प्रॉब्लम है. Schools में क्या करते हैं? Teachers are not engaging.
Yeah.
Teachers are new at this. Yeah. So a child will never get bored if you're speaking to the child.
Yeah.
And if I have children in front of me and I'm calling them by their name and I'm speaking to them, they will interact. But if I'm going to just sit there, put on a video and just say, watch the video, how many people are going to pay attention?
Yeah, it's easier for the teacher, but बच्चियाँ
Easy for the
वास्ते
teacher,
थे.
but not for the child, yes.
Yeah.
So the problem is, unfortunately, the parent is going to have to sit with the child to make sure the child is involved. And then after that, if your child is not learning, I encourage you to enroll in other programs that are actually teaching children and actually engaging with children. I mean, we have a lot of online programs that we're doing that are very successful. हमारे बच्चे तो बिल्कुल बोर नहीं होते. हमारे तो 2-3 साल के बच्चे, they study with us for 45 minutes without even moving from their chair. Yes.
So that's so nice. So आपकी कोई available है information, कोई program होते हुए, have you recorded?
Yes,
and
yeah, you just go to geniuskidsonline.com website में सब वहाँ virtual learning का सब program है.
Oh, wow. So
Yeah, yes.
definitely जो देख रहे हैं अब वो जाएंगे, because मुझे ये बहुत mothers ने कहा कि हमें साथ बैठना पड़ता है. So I was thinking it's so hard.
It's very hard. It's very
You
hard.
have to stop
But
your
unfortunately-
work and sit with them for 3-4 hours, right?
Yeah. Unfortunately, that is because of our own fault of what we've created. I call them little iPad monsters that we have created. And I think the parent needs to learn after this experience not to have their child just buried in an iPad. A parent has to spend time engaging. And that's what I write about in my book, about how it's so important to communicate with your child and interact with your child.
Exactly.
Interaction is
Okay.
very important.
जो कि पहले ज़माने च होंदा सी.
Yeah.
ਜਦੋਂ ये phone and computer was not
हमारे
there.
parents हमारे साथ बात करते थे. मेरी
बिल्कुल.
मम्मी, my mom would never say कि there was no tools, and TV भी मुझे लगता है एक दिन में एक प्रोग्राम आता था बच्चे लोग का टीवी में, तो
Yeah.
मेरी मम्मी मेरे साथ बात करती थी, right?
Yeah.
हमको
आपको मैं एक इशू बताऊं, मुझे फील होता है पेरेंट्स खुद भी तो बैठे होते हैं मोबाइल्स पे, तो बच्चे बेचारे क्या करें, वो खुद भी स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं, बच्चे भी स्क्रॉल कर रहे हैं, एवरीबडी इज ऑन.
A very sad case. I've seen it many times. हमारे स्कूल में आप बच्चे को ड्रॉप करते हो सुबह सुबह 8 बजे, राइट? आप काम पे जाते हो, उस टाइम पे पेरेंट आता है, बातें ऐसे करते हैं, साइन इन करते हैं, बाय बाय भी नहीं बोलते अपने बच्चे लोग को. बच्चा माँ को देख के तरस से आके मुझे बाय बाय बोलो, या बाप को बिल्कुल नहीं, हक भी नहीं देते, बैग फड़ा के बोलते जाओ. तो फिर इवनिंग टाइम पे जब बच्चा वेट करता है कि मेरे मम्मी डैडी आ रहे हैं, सेम थिंग, आते फोन पे, हाँ जी कम ऑन गेट योर बैग, लेट्स गो. गलत बात है, ये हमारी फॉल्ट है. You know, parents need to understand that your child will sense that lack of attention, and eventually they're going to grow up thinking my parent doesn't care about me.
Exactly. और फिर वो एक different personality develop कर लेगा.
मेरा तो grandson इतना पक्का है, if you're on your phone, वो तो बोलेगा फोन नीचे रखो, आपका iPad मेरे साथ बात करो. He's very particular about that. Yeah. And because हमने इसको सिखाया कि जब time to talk, it's time to talk.
Exactly. Especially when you are having dinner, तो कोई उनको ना दें, उनसे बातें करें, right?
Yes. ये पेरेंट्स करते हैं, iPad डाल के, you know, कभी हमारे स्कूल में पेरेंट्स ड्रॉप करते हैं, बोलते मेरा बच्चा नहीं खाते, आप उसको iPad दे दो. मैं क्या, मैं नहीं दूंगी iPad, बिल्कुल नहीं. हम तो बात करेंगे लंच टाइम में, बातें करो, खाना खाओ, एक दूसरे से, you know, गपशप मारो. That's the time of socialization.
Exactly.
Not ऐसे बैठ के करता है. And you know, Sarah, you go to restaurants these days, that's what you'll see. The family will be at the table. Nobody is talking. They're all...
You are right. Exactly. Yes. This is very sad.
It's very sad. It's very sad. Yes.
Because कोई communication नहीं है parents की बच्चों से, husband की wife सब अपने
खत्म हो गया. Human interaction बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया. You know, we have launched a new radio program on Radio Zindagi called Conquer the Mic, har Saturday. And the reason I've started this program is for children to come on the radio and speak. I wanted to give a platform to children to come and express their feelings. And the reason is because there is no interaction in the house. I want children to say, chalo, I can't interact at home, at least I'll interact with Miss Renu on the radio.
So anyone can come?
Anyone can come from any part of the world, any part of the world.
Wow, so it will be on call?
No, it's a Zoom. It's live on Zoom. Yeah, live on Zoom. Yeah, we actually had a first show on Saturday, Zabardast Shota, very popular. We got calls from all around the world, yes.
आप मुझे बताइएगा, मैं link भी share करूँगी.
Pakka, I'll send it to you for sure.
Yeah, that's so nice. So, ठीक है, ये so virtual और जो घर से बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, आपको क्या difference लगा अभी तक?
How do you mean?
Like बच्चों की development, learning, उसमें कुछ आपको
Unfortunately, the children, because of not being able to go to school, they are really going to lag behind. And as parents, we are going to have to put the extra effort. If you were putting 100% effort before, now you have to put 300% effort before, because the virtual learning through schools right now, schools were not ready for this. Yeah. You know, at Genius Kids, we've been teaching on smartboard technology for 20 years. All my curriculum is already on smartboard. So my students were already very used to interactivity and communication. So my students have not been struggling as much as students that have never been exposed to this kind of learning. Yeah. And I think parents are going to have to make the extra effort. And the best advice I can give a parent is, you know, you're going to have to put in the extra 2 hours with your child, sit down with them and talk to them and help them with their work. Because just like when you change a new job and you need training, our children have changed a new way of living and a new way of learning, and they're going to need some training.
Exactly, and that's very difficult for a kid to adapt.
Very, very difficult. And they're missing their friends. You know, children go to school to make friends, you know, and now can you imagine? I mean, you can't make friends. I mean, for us as adults, we can handle this, right? But for children, for adults, if I want to go and get company, I can at least get in a car, drive and go see a friend.
Exactly.
But for our children, they cannot do that. They're reliant on the communication we are going to give them. Exactly. So you have to be a little sensitive to that.
Yeah, you have to sit with them, give them time.
Yeah, you have to give them time. And you have to tell your employers, you know, you have to tell your employers that your children have to come first, and that if your meeting has to be adjusted to give your child a little bit of time, hey, your child should be first in your life.
Priority. You are right.
And I would be very surprised if any employer would not understand that condition, considering
they will definitely, of course.
They have no choice. If you're a good employee, they're going to retain you, they're going to accommodate you.
बिल्कुल, क्योंकि वो भी पेरेंट्स होंगे तो वो अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे ਤੁਹਾਡੀ पोजीशन को। ਤੁਹਾਡੀ किताब कਦੋਂ आ रही है?
October 6th. अभी cover भी खत्म हो गया. I put the cover on my Facebook. My little granddaughter, my beautiful little granddaughter Gia, I put her on the cover.
I saw it. It's beautiful. Yes. Congratulations.
Yes. And she came to my studio and I gave her a microphone and I said perform, and जबरदस्त वो perform कर रही थी. हमने 2 shot ले लिया उसका.
Wow.
And October 6th, we had sent out my book to get some reviews from different writers, publishers, doctors, and we got today 7 reviews, and they're outstanding reviews. So I'm very confident that the book is going to be a big success.
Yeah, best of luck. Definitely, आप जितना अच्छा बोलती हैं, आपने उतना अच्छा लिखा भी होगा. Definitely.
Thank you. Yeah.
So,
but you know.
Yeah. Please, आप बोलें.
Go ahead.
नहीं, मैंने कहा फिर कोई एडवाइस आप जाते पेरेंट्स को कुछ any advice? Spending time के अलावा.
Yes. Communication, confidence, 2 critical things you can give your child. If you give your child communication skills, if you give your child confidence skills, if you give your child time, you will build conviction within them. They will begin to believe that they have a relationship with you. Okay. And children who are confident can do anything in the world. Yes. Without confidence, there's nothing you can do. And I think what we do, हमारी Indian, हमारी community, South Asian community की एक problem है. हम इतना फोकस देते हैं पढ़ाई को, सारा दिन
ग्रेड्स
मैथ को 100% चाहिए, 100%, हम भूल जाते हैं कि ये जो दूसरे स्किल है, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, हमारे सॉफ्ट स्किल्स, हमारे मैनर्स, हमारा पर्सनालिटी, हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस, ये स्कूल सिखाते नहीं. हमारा काम है एज पेरेंट्स टू डेवलप दैट. हम बड़े होके मैं तो ऐसे नहीं घूमती हूँ मेरे डिग्री के साथ. Mera personality will be the one that...
Well, how you talk, how you communicate.
How you talk, how you communicate, how you present yourself. That's going to be your success in your life, in your relationships with your spouse, your family, your boss, and not your degree. Exactly. Degree will only get you so far. Your 100% will only get you so far. अब मैं इतने बच्चे को जानती हूँ 100% मिलती है, पर ऐसे बैठते बोलते नहीं किसी के साथ. You know, you have to develop.
और आपको पता है वो आगे जाके बहुत आगे भी नहीं जाते, वो पीछे ही रह जाते हैं.
मैं बोलती हूँ वो क्यूबिकल में रहते हैं ऐसे. Somebody else will lead the company. The person who lead the company will be the person with the personality, not the one with the brains.
Oh,
one with the brains is sitting in the back, and the one with the personality will lead. So if you want your child to become a leader, then you have to give them the skills, and it's up to you as a parent. It's up to you to develop those skills. They will only get it from the house. They'll only get it from the house.
So teenager बच्चे भी problem बड़ी करते हैं. Teenagers, boys, especially or girls. तो उनके लिए क्या advice है? छोड़ दे उन्हें, करने दे जो कर रहे हैं.
You know what? Again, if you have a good relationship with your child and you have good communication, then you will have a good understanding with your child. It's children who don't have that contact with their parents, whose parents we have this bad habit, right? बच्चा आके बोलेगा कि माँ मैंने अपने फ्रेंड के साथ जाना है, तो आप पूछोगे लड़की है तो बोलेगे I have a friend who's a boy. खबरदार आपने मैं ऐसा बात किया चपेड़ मारोगे. हमारी यही आदत होती है, right?
Exactly.
हम immediately conclusion करते हैं कि उसका बॉयफ्रेंड होगा. क्यों? हम क्यों ऐसे करते हैं कि हम लड़की के पास boy regular boy friend नहीं हो सकते. हमारे भी male friends होते हैं, boyfriend नहीं हो, right? यही हमारी problem है. We jump to conclusions. We're too protective. Yeah. We want to keep our children in a box. And then what happens? The first opportunity they get to fly, they go and they leave the home and they don't come back. You have to have relationship. Stop telling your child that everything is wrong. Stop telling your child they can't do things, because you have to give them a reason.
Yeah.
You know? And what do we do as Punjabis? हम क्या बोलते हैं? मैंने एक बार बोल दिया तो बोल दिया.
बोल देता.
That's it. तो बच्चे बोलेगा क्यों? नहीं, क्यों मत पूछो, बस करने ही. गलत बात है.
गलत बात है. तू लड़की नाल नहीं जा सकता थे, और लड़की है तो तू लड़के नाल नहीं जा सकता.
Right, exactly. तो ये दुनिया बहुत पुरानी दुनिया है. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. ऐसे नहीं. बच्चा भाग जाएगा. बच्चा आपके पीछे करेगा. And then it'll be even worse. It is better that you know what your child is doing.
Exactly.
मेरा एक वसूल था मेरे घर में, मेरी बेटी के साथ. I told both my babies, I must know what you're doing. Even if it's wrong, you come and tell me. I don't want to hear it from outside. You have to come and tell me the mistake you made. And yes, I will be angry, but I'm your mother. I'm not going to throw you out of my house.
Wow.
We all make mistakes.
Yeah.
And that's another advice I tell parents. Don't try and pretend to be perfect. You're not perfect.
Yes.
इंसान सब गलती करते हैं, right?
बिल्कुल
हम
बिल्कुल
भी गलती करते हैं, अभी भी हम गलती करते हैं, बच्चे भी करते हैं. तो ऐसे मत करो कि आप इतने परफेक्ट हो कि आपका बच्चा सोचता है कि मेरी माँ बाप इतने परफेक्ट है, I cannot be like that.
exactly
We are human, we're इंसान, right?
बिल्कुल
We have to be real. Yes.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
No,
वंडरफुल
you're
टाइम
welcome.
होता है आपके साथ हमेशा एंड डेफिनेटली बहुत से लोगों ने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा और कमेंट्स में आप लोग जरूर लिखें और कुछ आप इनसे पूछना चाहते हैं तो हम आपको फिर ज़हमत देंगे.
Anytime, Sarah. Always a pleasure to be on your show.
Thank you so much. You take care.
Yes.
And best of luck for your book.
Khuda Hafiz.
Khuda Hafiz. Wow. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you very much.